Hey, this is Miss Lee, and I'm in Dollar Tree, and I want to show you the soft little squishies, slow rise. They're so adorable. So they have the three little pigs, and they really, really adorable. And then you have, I really don't know, a little doggy, and a perfume. They new scented perfume. So cute. And then you have the koala bear, the baby and the mama. How nice. You have the little girl, Cinderella type. So many of them. You have the pineapple. You have this one. I don't know what this is. Oh, I think the little doggy and the mommy. The baby and the mommy. And see how. And then also they have, I love it. The little girl, I love the colors, the yellow, the pinks, the blues. So beautiful. And look, beautiful. Really nice.